This video is going to show you how to start your project. So first, you're going to put your name on the back of your paper, and then you're going to turn it over. And then you're going to use one of my tracers for the back wall. You're going to trace it anywhere on your paper. It doesn't matter. You can also do your paper vertical if you'd rather do your paper vertical. Okay, so trace nice around these edges. And then there's a hole in the center of that tracer, and I want you to put a dot right there, and that is going to be your vanishing point. So everything is going to line up to that point. Alright, so now you're going to make the lines for your walls. So you're going to line up the vanishing point with the corner of the rectangle. Now, this does not mean that that line is going to go to the corner of the paper. Okay, it probably won't, and that's okay. So you're going to line up the corner of the back wall with the vanishing point, draw a line, and you're going to do that for every single corner. And so sometimes it might line up with your corner of your paper, and sometimes it won't. Alright, so now we're going to make a window shape on each wall and ceiling. So we're going to make a nice straight vertical line. And then we're going to connect the top and bottom of that line to the vanishing point. But we don't have to draw the line all the way to the vanishing point. So you do that to the top and bottom. And now you're going to make another straight up and down line. So this can be turned into a window, a painting, a flat screen TV, a rug. So we're going to make each of these shapes on 3 of these walls, and then you're going to turn them into different things. Okay, so this one I'm going to turn into a window. Nope, I'm not going to. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I draw a nice straight line, and then I line up the top and bottom of that line to my vanishing point. Oops, I drew a line all the way to the vanishing point. That's okay, I can erase it. I didn't want to do that because this is my project paper and I didn't want to have to erase a bunch of stuff, but it's not a big deal because everything's going to be covered up anyway. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a nice straight line up and down. Now I'm going to draw one more on the top. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line kind of near my edge of my paper, and then I'm going to line up the sides of that line to my vanishing point, but I'm not going to draw a line all the way to my vanishing point. And then I'm going to close off my shape, and that is my last window shape I need to make. Okay, so now you're going to choose which one of these you want to be your window. And whichever one you choose, just make sure it's on the right. So if you want to do the left one, you just turn it around. If you want to do the top one, you just turn it around. It doesn't matter, it'll always look the same. So I'm going to do my top one. So I'm just going to do a nice straight parallel line inside my window shape. And what we're drawing is like that wall that the window's sitting in. Then I'm going to do another line that lines up with my vanishing point on the top and on the bottom. So I'm trying to make the inside of my window like the same thickness all around. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase those little lines, and I'm going to draw a line that connects one corner to the other corner. So like right right here, one corner to the other corner, and one corner to the other corner. And that is the inside of my window. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this shape into a painting. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is line up my ruler and draw a nice straight parallel line. And then I'm going to add the top and bottom straight horizontal lines. Okay, they're not crooked, they're straight horizontal. Okay, so that's how thick my frame is. And now I'm going to draw a vertical line here. And then I'm going to draw a line lining up with my vanishing point here. And that's going to go all the way to the edge. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. So it's similar to what I did with my window. Okay. Alright, and now I'm going to erase those lines, and I'm going to make diagonal lines connecting the corners, and that is my frame. So it could be a flat screen or a painting. Kitty. Now only do this part if you want to do a rug on the floor. So I'm going to do a horizontal line, and then I'm going to line up each side of that with the vanishing point, and this is going to be my rug. So if you want to do like wooden planks or checkerboard, you're not going to do this step, but if you just want to do a rug, that's fine. It's just the same as a window. And then you can add like fringe on the ends, or if you want to do stripes or a pattern, that's fine.